It truly does rely on the weather in March when choosing what to plant. March is sometimes referred to be the month that comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. In other words, it marks the transition from winter to spring. Here's what to plant March, Northern Hemisphere. Number 10. Poppies. Because there is a poppy for every location, they are the perfect thing to plant in March. Field poppies are hardy annuals that can be sowed right now if you're interested in learning how to cultivate them, and lavish oriental poppies are absolute showstoppers with their sensuous papery petals. Number 9. Sea holly. These magnificent plants, commonly referred to as eryngium, are among the most strikingly unique perennials. They are hardy, drought-tolerant plants that flourish anywhere but are most suited for seaside areas. They draw pollinators, and their unique flower heads are attractive enough to be kept through the winter for decorating. They work well in sunny locations and go well with a variety of plants, including lush floral borders and garden gravel ideas. Additionally, they self-seed rather easily, so even if you only buy one plant, you might end up with 2 or 3 full plants. Number 8. Salvias. You won't regret learning to plant salvias. They're long, lasting, mauve, scarlet flower spires look great in summer gardens. Salvia comes in 4 major varieties: annuals that are heaved up and composted at the end of summer, herbaceous perennials that return year after year, delicate perennials that need overwintering under cover, and shrubby salvias that are mostly hardy but may need winter protection. We planted seeds in March for this summer. You'll have lots of plants, so you can keep them underneath or in a DIY cold frame in case a cold, rainy winter kills them. Number 7. Half-hardy annuals. Half-hardy annuals should be started in a greenhouse or on a sunny windowsill indoors because they are frost-sensitive. Hardy annuals can be seeded outside now, especially near the end of the month. Half-hardy annuals like Cosmos, Nicotiana, Cleome, Tagetes, and Zinnia add color to the garden inexpensively. They should be ready to plant in mid-spring when the frosts have ended and blossom wonderfully this summer if cared for in March. Number 6. Agapanthus. Agapanthus is versatile and long-lasting. Our most popular summer flower, South African lilies, thrive in milder northern hemisphere temperatures. Plant in March for tall trumpets of white and blue flowers during summer. Evergreen agapanthus are less hardy and require greater winter protection in the UK and colder US states. Number 5. Wildflowers. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden by feeding birds, rewilding an area where animals may forage and hide, and planting pollinator-friendly plants is one of the best things we can do. In March, plant a mix of wildflowers to attract birds, bees, butterflies, and other wildlife. Most seed firms make lovely mixtures with field poppies, cornflowers, corn cockles, and campions. They can be sown precisely where you want your flowers this time of year. Number 4. Heleniums. Heleniums, often called sneezeworts, are daisy-like flowers with blazing reds, yellows, and oranges. They look great in drifts in a border with decorative grasses and red-hot pokers. They perform best in a sunny location. First, add tons of well-rotted compost and manure to improve the soil and retain moisture during summer. Number 3. Petunias. Every year, fresh, garish trumpet-bloomed petunias arrive. Many spring container designs include them, and growing them from seed saves money. So now for strong summer plants. When they get their first real leaves, prick them out and cultivate them in pots. Number 2. Forced bulbs. In the dead of winter, forced bulbs like hyacinths add color and smell to indoor gardens. If you forced bulbs indoors this winter, offer them a second chance in the garden after they die. Forcing drains the bulb, so they won't flower as well the first year, but they'll grow stronger after that. After blooming indoors, deadhead blooms and let the leaves die back to nourish the bulbs. Plant them with sturdy, green leaves so they die in place. Plant them in a sunny, sheltered area or dappled shade, and they will flower in spring, providing early color and smell. Number 1. Annual climbers. Annual climbers are great and easy to plant in March and will add color and dimension to your garden. Too many options. For subtler colors, consider Cabaye scandens, cup, and saucer vine, or cathedral bells. Fiery nasturtiums attract cabbage white butterflies and discourage them off your crops. In a protected, mulched bed, these enormous, bell-shaped flowers and thick foliage may survive the winter. Sweet peas add summer color and are a classic. Thunbergiolata, or black-eyed Susan, has yellow, orange, and peach petals around a dark eye. Morning glory grows well. The Spanish flag, Ipomoea lobata, has red, cream flowers. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.